Good morning, student. Student, today's topic is limit continue. It is based on the formula limit x tends to a, x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a equal to n, a power n minus 1. It is question number 4 from RD Sharma. It is exercise 29.5. Solve the limit x tends to a, x power 2 by 5 minus a power 2 by 5 upon x minus a. So according to the formula, it is 2 by 7 into a power 2 by 7 minus 1. It is 2 by 7 into a power minus 5 upon 7. And it becomes 2 by 7 into a power 5 upon 7. Is the answer. Next, question number 1. Evaluate the limit x tends to a, x plus 2 whole power 5 upon 2 minus a plus 2 whole power 5 upon 2 divided by x minus a. We can write it limit x plus 2 tends to a plus 2. Then x plus a whole power 5 upon 2 minus a plus 2 whole power 5 upon 2, and denominator can be written as x plus 2 minus a plus 2. Let x plus 2 equal to y. When x tends to y, so x plus 2 equal to y, then it is limit y tends to a plus 2. Then y power 5 by 2 minus a plus 2 power 5 by 2 upon y minus a plus 2. Now again, according to the formula, it becomes 5 by 2 into a plus 2 whole power 5 by 2 minus 1. Then it is 5 by 2 into a plus 2 whole power 3 by 2. So we can directly can use the formula, or we can substitute x plus 2 as a y. Now, next question is limit x tends to minus 1 by 2. 8x cube plus 1 upon 2x plus 1. So just convert this according to the formula. We will write it limit x tends to minus 1 by 2. 8 common, then it is x cube minus 1 upon 2 whole cube upon 2 common from denominator into x minus 1 by 2. Now 2 4 is 8, 2 is constant, take it out, limit x tends to minus 1 by 2. Then it is according to the formula x power n minus a power n upon x minus a. So here n equal to 3, upon x minus 1 by 2. So it is 4 into 3 into minus 1 upon 2 power 3 minus 1. Then it is 4 into 3 into, it is minus 1 upon 2 square, which is 4, and answer is 3. So limiting value is 3 here. Next question is question number 11. Here limit x tends to a, x power 2 by 3 minus a power 2 by 3 divided by x power 3 by 4 minus a power 3 by 4. We will write it limit x tends to a. We can write it 2 by 3 minus a power 2 by 3 upon x minus a. Same in denominator, x power 3 by 4 minus a power 3 by 4 divided by x minus a. Now there are two limits. So it is limit x tends to a, x power 2 by 3 minus a power 2 by 3 upon x minus a whole divided by limit x tends to a, x power 3 by 4 minus a power 3 by 4 upon x minus a. It is same as limit of quotient equal to quotient of limit. Just like limit x tends to a, fx upon gx is equal to limit x tends to a, fx upon limit x tends to a, gx. Just use this concept, we will get two limits. Now, limit of numerator is 2 by 3 into a power 2 by 3 minus 1 divided by, it is 3 by 4 into a power 3 by 4 minus 1. Now it is 2 by 3 into 4 by 3 into a power minus 1 by 3 upon a power minus 1 by 4. Then it is 8 upon 9 into a power minus 1 upon 3 plus 1 by 4. Now take the LCM. It is 8 by 9 into LCM is 12 minus 4 plus 3. So it is 8 upon 9 a power minus 1 by 12. Or we can write it 8 upon 9 and a power 1 upon 12. Now next question is question number 12. If limit x tends to 3, x power n minus 3 power n upon x minus 3 equal to 108. Find n. Find the value of n. So, according to the formula, it is n into 3 power n minus 1. Now we will factorize this. 108. 4 2 is 8. 4 7 is 28. 27 is 3 cube. So it is 4 into 3 cube. This can be written as 4 into 3 power 4 minus 1. N into 3 power n minus 1. Just compare it. So here n equal to 4. This is also n minus 1, 4 minus 1. From this we will get value of n, which is 4. According to the formula, just compare both the sides. Now next is question number 13. If limit x tends to a, x power 9 minus a power 9 upon x minus a equal to 9. find the value of A. Find all possible values of A. So again, according to the formula, it is 9 into 8 power, A power 8. Or it is 9 minus 1, which is 8, equal to 9. Now 9 1 is 9, A power 8 equal to 1. So A equal to plus minus 1. Value of A is plus minus 1 because it is even power. Even power. Now the next is question 16. If limit, there is a limit x tends to a, x cube minus a cube upon x minus a is equal to limit x tends to 1, x power 4 minus 1 upon x minus 1. Find all possible values of a. Find a. So very simple. Apply this formula both sides. So it is 3 into a square equal to 4 into 1 power 4 minus 1, which is cube. So 3 into a square equal to 4. A square equal to 4 upon 3 and a is plus minus 2 upon root 3. Value of a is plus minus 2 upon root 3.